Assalamu alaikum, everybody. This is the second level of the course we had on YouTube. The course that was on YouTube, it was 6 lessons. It's almost as a trial for you to know how I teach, my style of teaching, and I might post another sessions out there for free. But this is the second level. This is where things get serious. Okay? I just want you to know something. This course will be sufficient. I'm saying this because I mean it. I don't say this because I'm trying to sell it. I'm saying this because it's true. This course will have a lot of comprehensive info for you, even if someone who is advanced or someone who is just starting out. So it will be good. There is no way it wouldn't be good for you. And for the price you will see, it will be a deal almost not of a lifetime, but it will be honestly, I couldn't make it better. Okay? Plus, I tried to find something like this course out there. There is nothing on our Arabic from Egypt like it out there. There is nothing. So this is the first of a kind. I think so. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I haven't searched that deep. And I am doing it with heart and with honesty. So just give it a chance and watch what I have to say now. And let's see how it goes. Okay. Now, what can we expect by the end of this course, the second level course? Because there will be other course included in your payment. Okay. So you're not going to be only getting this course every month or two or three, depending on how much every course takes and the topic of the course, because I also want to see what you guys want to say. So I want to see your comments and I want you to see or want you to say what's next after this, even though I can have some ideas, but it's obviously beautiful to hear from you. So, what can you expect by the end of this course? Independent sentence making, meaning you are independent in the grammar aspect. You don't have to keep here full sentences. I want you to make your own sentences. I will teach you how to make them. You will be practical on the road, not fluent, because fluency is a big word, but I'm using it here in the meaning that you will know how to handle yourself out there. For sure, after this course, for sure. There is no chance you wouldn't. You will be integrated culturally and socially, in the meaning you will know what is our social traditions, what is our culture. I will include names of films for you to watch, songs, podcasts. I will try to integrate you in our culture because yes, you are learning the language, but there is many aspects to that language. The way that you move your head, the way that you move your hands, it's a big thing. You will know all of this by the end of this course. You will know advanced conversation in the meaning that it is not only you're introducing yourself, you're asking the name, you're asking how much, you will get into more advanced areas of convo in Masri. Native speed, you will not be at native speed. There is no way, unless you are really good. So if you are really good, maybe, but to be at our native speed after one course, unless you're practicing with actual people from Egypt, maybe then. But, it's pretty hard, but you will be almost there. And the most important thing, our platform that I will put the course on it, we will have other people on it, so you can chat with people, you can find people to like talk to, and I will make sure to teach you how to connect with other Arabic talkers. That way, you can practice. Or I can include this. So if you guys want this, let me know in the comments. Okay, I can make a weekly chatting session on the platform every week. I show up maybe on Friday, something like that, and we, talk it out. That way, your ears get used to like someone talking. I am not gonna get paid for it. I will do it for like you guys. So if you do want that, let me know in the comments. And finally, the most important one, you will be completely comfortable with small talk, 100%. Like that will be even out of like the calculations. That will be given at that point. Okay. What does the course consist of? Get ready. This is true. The course will have 200 lessons. I repeat, not 50, not 40, not 100, not 120, 200 lessons. Okay? And not 100 lesson and then 100 homework. No, no, no. Full 200 lessons. And the homework lessons are on the side. I am not even counting those. Okay? What is the 200 lessons? There are 4 phases. Each phase has 5 units. Each unit has 10 lessons. So the total is 200 lessons. We have four phases. The first phase is the entry level. The second phase is the intermediate level. The third phase is the advanced level. And the fourth phase is the mastery level. Now, saying the mastery word obviously isn't true because you will not be mastering the language by that point because it's only one course. And the lessons will not be 30 minutes each. No, it will be 10 minutes, 12 minutes, 7 minutes, depending on the topic. The harder it is, the longer it is. So, because if I make each lesson 30 minutes, it's hours and hours and hours of unneeded info. So I will try to make it short and sweet, but still sufficient and good. So 200 lessons. And I was thinking that I don't want to do after each lesson a homework solution video. I will put a homework file and then answered homework file. And after each unit, you will find a video of me solving all of that homework from that unit. That way I save both my time and your time. Okay? A discussion. Now, you can't skip this part, but this is my honest opinions about this course and what I think it can become with time. This is the first of many courses I will put on my platform, and I will have the link under there. And I will have the link in the comments also. That way it's also easier for you to reach. So don't worry. But what I am thinking that this course, with all honesty, there is nothing like it out there. I tried searching. If you find a course like it, please share it with me about our topic Masri, Egyptian Arabic, not Arabic Standard. Arabic Standard for sure. There must have been someone who done something like that, and if not, I will do it. Yeah, for sure, I would do it. But for Masri, I don't think someone did something like that. So this is a first of a kind. For the first 100 lessons, I will keep the price for $15 per month. So this is a subscription based course, not one time payment. No. Why is it that way? Why is it 30 days payments? Because there will be new courses dropping along the way. And this is a continuous work. So, yes, I will drop the lessons, but I will keep making new work. So, if it's one time payment, it is unfair for you and me. And if I charge you one time payment, I will charge you a lot. So, for the first 100 lessons, until I drop the first 100 lessons, the price will be $15. Okay? The moment I hit 100 lessons, either I will think about it. I will make it either 30 or 25 because you got to still keep in mind that I will post another courses. So, will it be fair for me if I post other courses on there and I still charge $30? I don't know. I think so. I think it would be fair, but we will see. So, for now, and I will try to make sure that whoever will be paying 15 stays at 15. So, I will start posting the course the lessons on the course starting from today. So, I will put the link out there, and whoever is on there who will pay 15 as a beginning will keep paying 15 possibly until the end of time. Not the end of the world, but like the end of our courses, or maybe who knows, maybe the world will end soon. But yeah, whoever will be upon the to pay in the first 100 lessons will keep paying $100 at $15. Okay, this is it. This is one of a kind so far from what I've seen. I hope you have trust in yours truly, me, Anna, and the phases will not be that hard. It will be useful for every type of person. If you know Arabic, if you don't, if you're advanced, if you're not advanced, because if you want to go over a topic that you have studied, the only way that you would go over it is either Google it, and if you Google, there is not that much good content on it out there. 100%, 100. Our dialect is so betrayed by the content out there on Google because it's not right. Or you will have to book a tutor and you have to pay him $15 an hour, $10 an hour, $7 an hour. And then you have to pay him multiple times a week or multiple times a month. Why? When you can pay $15 a month or 30, depending on when you join, and anytime you want to reach any sort of topic, which will be included in that course, you can watch you can just reach it. I will have an outline of the course in the comments. Maybe not now, even though I have the outline, but I'm contemplating if I should share the whole outline with you or not. Maybe yes, maybe no, I will see. But yeah, it will start from today. The course will be up. I will put the link in the comments. Whoever joins first get to reach the content for cheaper. And yeah, this is it, guys. This is a big thing. Let's see how it goes. And salam. Ma salama. Bye bye.